Welcome back to Driven to Repair. Today, we're talking about a super simple habit you can do once a month that can dramatically extend the life of your engine. Your car's engine is its heart. Just like your own heart, it needs regular checkups and maintenance to stay healthy. Skipping this one simple monthly step can lead to poor fuel economy, lost performance, and even major engine repairs. But if you do it consistently, you'll avoid thousands of dollars in repairs and keep your ride smooth and reliable. Step 1. Check and top off engine oil. The engine oil is literally the lifeblood of your car. Without enough clean oil, your engine will grind itself to pieces. Once a month, when your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. 1. Open the hood. 2. Pull the oil dipstick. Wipe it with a clean rag. Reinsert it, and pull it out again. 3. Check both the color and the level. Light brown or amber, good. Thick black with grit? Time for an oil change. Below the minimum mark? Add oil immediately. Always use the manufacturer's recommended grade. Don't overfill, just bring it to the line. This 2-minute routine will save you thousands over the life of your car. Step 2. Inspect the air filter. Your air filter is like your car's lungs. A dirty filter suffocates the engine, forcing it to burn more fuel and work harder, which shortens its life. Once a month, open your air box. Most cars just have a few clips or screws. Pull the filter out. Hold it up to the light. If you can barely see through it, it's clogged. You can gently vacuum or tap it to remove loose dirt. Replace it if it's really dirty. A clean air filter improves power, fuel economy, and longevity. Step 3. Battery and electrical connections. A weak battery or corroded terminals stress your entire electrical system, including sensors and the alternator, which directly affects how smoothly your engine runs. Each month, peek at your battery. Look for white or bluish buildup on the terminals. Make sure cables are tight. If you see corrosion, disconnect the negative cable first. Then the positive, clean with baking soda plus water or a battery brush. Rinse and reconnect positive first, then negative. Step 4. Coolant and hoses. An overheated engine can warp your head gasket or even seize completely. That's catastrophic. Coolant keeps temperatures in check, and hoses carry it throughout your engine. Once a month, check the coolant reservoir when the engine is cold. The level should be between min and max. Check for leaks, cracks, or bulges in the hoses. If your coolant is low, top up with the right mixture of antifreeze and water or premixed. Never open the radiator cap on a hot engine. Step 5. Transmission and other fluids. If you want to go above and beyond, check your transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid monthly. Low or dirty fluids cause major wear. Even a quick glance can catch a small leak before it becomes a huge bill. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Driven to Repair.